An application similar to Dropbox is Box.net. You might find it a useful tool. We've been using it in the Teacher Education Research Study Group for a number of collaboration purposes. Let me show you the way we have used it in order to advance our research agenda. We create a folder, and inside the folder we can put any number of different kinds of files. Here's the right one. You'll see that there are several different collaborators. There are 14 different collaborators in the group, and you can see their names here. And within each one of these, we've set up another folder. So it's just very much like the architecture of your hard drive. Makes it easy to navigate. And here are the presentation papers from the presentation that we gave at the Literacy Research Association this week. And we just put these into the folder, and everybody can share those, access them, download them, make revisions, put up new ones, and so forth. We have regular Skype meetings, and so you can see that Beth Dobler has put the minutes from our Skype meetings, the most recent set of minutes, in here. Our IRB instruments are all here. Our instruments from the study are all here. Other presentations in other locations, last year's presentation, all of the data collection tools are right here. Makes it easy to organize. Each university that participated uploaded files into each one of these folders so that they're easy to get to. Everybody has access to them, and we don't have to spend all of our time emailing back and forth. One of the things that I like about the Box.net application is that it's very easy to share a file. For example, if I wanted to share this file with you, let's find one. All I have to do is click share, and I can generate a link that I can send to anybody via email. I can grant access at any different kinds of levels. I can make sure that there are only collaborators already located, already with permission to the folder. I can set an expiration so that they have access for a limited time. I can put a password on it if I want to. All of those kinds of things. I can also add different collaborators to the file using that same procedure, and there are a number of things that I can do. I can add comments to the file, and others can add comments. Each one of these can be emailed either as a summary or individually as they occur to your email account, so that you know somebody has added a comment or made some kind of a change to the file, so it's easy to track those. Each file can be downloaded. I can download this entire folder if I want to. I can move it to a different file. There are a number of other things that I can do. I can send it to Twitter. I can send it to Chatter. So it makes it really very easy to track all of the various parts of the project. One of the things that you can also do, let's choose this file, is handle media, for example, and they will play right within the Box.net, or I can download them, of course, up here on these controls, or they'll just play right within the application. In this segment, Dr. Beth, that's a part for a book that I'm working on. And I can then share those with the editors. I can share those with the media department at the publishing company and so forth. So I thought you might like to see this application. It might be a good way to organize research. It's also a good way for teachers to have folders for each different class and grant access to parents and so on. It also integrates fully with other applications. I can create a new folder here. I can create a web document with Inbox that works very much like Microsoft Word, but I don't have to have Word in order to make this work. And anybody that has access to your Box folders can also access and edit that web document. I can put bookmarks in there if I want to share a bookmark or organize them in a certain way, but you'll also see that it fully integrates with Google Doc, Google Spreadsheets, and so forth. That allows me to do fully collaborative writing if I want to with any number of other individuals using the Google Doc applications. And then, of course, I can create Word documents, PowerPoints, and Excels right within Box without going outside and then re-uploading them and so forth. So I hope that is useful to you, and if you have questions, please feel free to email me at tdwoolsey@msn.com.